So there's been a lot of talk about AI Tutor, and I'm going to show you why. Ready? We're going to go over to the Plus. I'm going to show you all the models that are within AI Tutor. You got GPT-4 Turbo 0125, GPT-4 Turbo 1106, 3.5 Turbo 0125, Perplexity, Sonar Medium Online, Sonar Medium Chat, Sonar Small Online, Sonar Small Chat, Mixtral 8x7B Instruct, Mixtral 7B Instruct, Code Llama 70B Instruct, Gemma, Gemma 1.0 Pro 001, Gemma 1.0 Pro Latest, Gemma 1.0 Pro Vision, Gemma 1.5 Pro, Mistral, Capybara, Hugging Face, OpenChat, Anthropic Claude, Claude V2, Claude V2O, Claude V2.1, Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, Claude Instant V1.2, Gemini Pro 1.0, Gemini Pro Vision, Google Palm 2, Chat 32K, Mistral, Perplexity PPLX70B Online, Perplexity Sonar 7B, Metacode Llama 34B Instruct, and you can add a bunch of other ones, Local AI, Mistral, Llama, Opabuga, OpenAI, Together AI, and I'm going to show you why it's so great. Y'all ain't ready for this? Wait for it. I was showing you Plus, all those models for $24.99. There's one last thing. It's all unlimited. Unlimited, no tokens. Boom. You're welcome.